Look at the way Mayawati spoke, and so clear that I cannot stand with an anti-national line. You called it an assertion of democratic rights to speak.
Arnav, the most
Yeah,
funny
Ratan
word
Sharda
she
opening.
used
Ratan
was-
Sharda. Ratan Sharda first and then
See,
Anirban,
word to
please.
be noted.
Anirban, Ratan
Word to
first,
be
Ratan Da
noted.
first. Thank you.
Word to be noted is behudi baatein. There is no equivalent English word for behuda. If somebody can throw light, I would be interested to know the exact word. I could make up fast. So it is not just, anti-nation views and pro-Chinese views. It is actually behuda, means very stupid and very ridiculous kind of behavior. And see, we have been saying, Mahabharata has noted that Vayam Panchadikam Shatam, when there is an outsider, we are 100 plus 5, we are not 100 versus 5. So unless this psychology changes, now regional parties are behaving in a nationalistic way, and the so-called national party is behaving like Communist Party of China. What can be more ridiculous? They have thrown open the China,
Mayawati today,
Congress
we all
party
know, Mr.
to such
Sharda,
ridicule
that it
it is surprising when the Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary says Chinese सेना अंडे नहीं दे रही है. What does it mean? What kind of absurd language? What kind of horrible language? Remember Sharad Pawar was defense minister. He was defense minister. He knows what he speaks about. He's one of the oldest politicians. He is the wiliest politician. He has killed BJP in the ass in Maharashtra. But today he stands with government. When there is an attack on the country, there are no two sides. There is just one side. There is national side. There is no political party, but a government, and we must stand behind the government. And when the danger is over, then ask questions. Want to ask questions? Ask for commission inquiry. I am not saying there can be no mistake, but to keep on ridiculing Indian forces, keep on ridiculing the sacrifice of Indian jawans, it is something that has to be really called behuda. So that behuda word Mayawati used really nails the whole thing.
I've been thinking about when you asked that, when you said use the word behuda. I'm no expert on Hindi, but I think the appropriate translation would be something which is meaningless. Behuda,
No,
inane. Inane
that.
would be a proper word, maybe inane. This kind of politics, and particularly, you see, if you look, okay, Anirban, let me give you your chance to speak up on this. What did you all gain? You all means all you people who took a position saying that we feel that it is our democratic right to question every strategic move of the government of India. We feel it is our democratic right to claim without evidence that our territory has been lost. We believe it is our democratic right to say that Ladakh has been lost. We believe it is our democratic right to say that the map shows that the Indian army did not have a strategic victory, that we had a huge strategic defeat, that it is our democratic right, even when Republic, Pradeep, you will remember, we showed the evidence and the pictures and the thermal imagery to say that no, all this cannot be believed.